Proceeding further, we come to the next important concept, which is independent event. Okay. Now, what is independent event? Now, when two events occur, suppose E and F, and occurrence of any one event does not affect the existence or occurrence of another event, then in that case the two events are said to be independent event. Okay. Let us first consider one example. Suppose we are having event E. Okay. Event E getting a spade card our experiment is drawing a card from pack of 52 playing cards. We are considering experiment that we are drawing a card from a pack of 52 playing cards. E is getting a spade card. F is getting a king card. Okay. Now, as far as E is concerned, probability of E, spade card, it will be 13 by 52, which is 1 by 4. As far as F is concerned, probability of F, it will be getting a king card, means 4 by 52, it will be 1 by 13. These are the probabilities of event E and event F. Event E, probability of E, it will be 1 by 4. Event F, probability of F, it will be 1 by 13. Okay. These are the events. Now, if we consider E intersection F, what is E intersection F? Getting a spade, king, or king of spade. Getting a card which is king of spade. Getting a card which is king of spade. अब king of spade एक अकेला कार्ड है, so probability of E intersection F, it will be 1 by 52. Okay, it will be 1 by 52. Now, consider this event. Probability of E by F. Probability of E by F means event F has occurred first, event E is occurring next. What was event F? Event F was getting a king card. Okay, and what is event E? Getting a spade card. Okay. अब इस केस में, in this case, event F will act as the sample space of E. Event F will act as a sample space of E. Now, if you consider event F getting a king card, there are 4 cards: king of heart, king of spade, king of cup, king of diamond. Okay, and event E, this will be the sample space for this event. Getting a spade card means king of spade, it will be only one card, so probability will be 1 by 4. What will be probability? It will be 1 by 4. If we move by this way, by the definition, we get probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. This is by the definition or formula of conditional probability. Okay, P of E by F is 1 by 52 and P of F is 4 by 52, and this turns out to be 1 by 4. Okay, this is turning out to be 1 by 4, but you can see that probability of E, it is already 1 by 4. It is already 1 by 4. Okay, similarly, if you find probability of F by E, F by E means event E has occurred first, event F is occurring next. Okay, now what was event E? Getting a spade card. Event E getting a spade card. In this case, event E means getting a spade card. It will act as a sample space for F. So for F, there are 13 possibilities. Okay, and F is getting a king card. So getting a king card, it will be 1 by 13, because here there are 13 possibilities and there is only one spade of one king of spade. So clearly it will be 1 by 13. But if we move by the formula, you get probability of E by F upon probability of E. Probability of E by F is 1 by 52 and probability of E is 1 by 4, means 13 by 52, which is nothing but 1 by 13, and which is nothing but probability of f. So what we are seeing in this case we observe that probability of E by F, conditional probability of E, it is same as probability of E. Probability of F by E, conditional probability of F, it is same as probability of F. So what we see that these two events, they do not disturb the event of other, the probability of other event. Okay, if E is existing first, then also it is not affecting the probability of F. If F is existing first, then also it is not affecting the probability of E. When this happens, that an event does not affect the probability or existence of another event, then the two events are said to be independent events. Okay, so in this example we see that conditional probability of E by the occurrence of F, it is same as probability of E, means probability of E is not disturbed. So clearly E and F, these will be independent events. Okay, once again, what are independent events? The two events are said to be independent when existence or occurrence of any one event does not affect the probability or the existence of another event. Okay, then the two events will be independent event. Please note it down.